This video will provide guidelines on citing white papers using APA style. Watch the other APA style videos for citing different source types. It's important that you give credit to others for the work that they've done so that you can avoid plagiarism. Not doing so, intentionally or not, is misrepresenting your own work and may result in serious academic and legal ramifications. Citing a white paper is a lot like citing a website. You will need the following information: the name of the author, the date of publication, the title of the white paper, and the source of the paper, including a URL. One thing to note is the capitalization on the title. You're only going to capitalize the first word of the title and the first word of the subtitle, as well as any proper nouns. Let's take a look at a white paper I found on the Euromonitor website. Looking at this article, I find all of the information I need to create my citation. Beneath the title is the author's name. The source is Euromonitor International, and the URL is in the address bar. The website itself listed the publication date as 2016. After finding all the information I need, I can create my citation. When using APA style, you only include the author's initials after you've typed out their last name. If there is more than one author, list them in the order they appear on the article and put an ampersand before the final author's name. Also make note of the fact that I only capitalize the first word of the title and the first word of the subtitle. This page contains some other useful sources you might want to check out if you get stuck as you're creating your citations. Please feel free to contact the library if you have any questions about citing sources using APA style.